reversing.
What happened to that smooth ride?
I'll drive for a second.
There's some serious clunking action happening under here. Don't run me over. Huh. Oh, wow. The back seat of this is so much better than a Cherokee. Oh, something is wrong under there. Terrible. Something's not right. Huh. This was the first really nice vehicle we owned.
I loved this vehicle.
Hey, I wonder if it still has your seat memory
Ooh,
stored.
I forget. I'm sure.
Oh, it hasn't had a battery in it. It probably doesn't remember you.
I'm number 2 for sure.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
Yeah. Well, it's the same stupid position you used at the test.
I rode this close to the steering wheel. There's no way.
Yep. And the seat's straight up and down as high as it'll go. There's a ton of legroom back here now.
This is comfy.
The driving position?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that sunset. This is Laverkin Overlook. There's the town of Laverkin. I remember this thing being a lot faster.
Slow down, please.
It sounds like it's falling apart, but it rides really good. Let me see your phone. I don't know how to work this thing.
Getting out. Randy, please. You're so not nice to
Just the
me.
camera. My wife doesn't like four-wheeling. She thinks this is scary for some reason.
Just watch where you're going, not me. Don't watch me.
So I'm still in high range, but that raises the heat. Mad? Okay, I got a wonderful wife, but she doesn't like Hoonigans much at all if she's with me. Like, at all. She doesn't like Hoonigans. 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 She doesn at all.
He has a good wife, and she doesn't love off-roading.
Well, we're running out of light pretty quick. Oh, this is a fun truck, huh? The trail I'm going through is up here. You want to see where I got stuck last time?
No.
You okay? Like, you don't like going down either? The brakes are not much.
Two-wheel drive? Now I gotta go through all this terrain. He's coming back. sound good.
Oops.
You just let all the air out?
The tire.
Oh, flat tire.
Ruh-roh.
Oh no. That's not good.
Alright, come down.
What's happening?
Oh, I was trying to find a spot I could get that tire off the ground so I didn't have to jack it up. No. Yeah, apparently that side will. So we need these. That needs to go on our list of what this thing needs. And then the popper for that doesn't exist.
Do we have a spare?
I hope so. I'm gonna get some prepared.
Ooh,
Yeah, it looks like
even
we got
has some air.
No, it's flat. We got a jack and a lug wrench though, and some antifreeze. We got to work with. Oh, I might even be able to get it out. Oh yeah. Guess what?
What? Oh, that was our previous flat tire.
I remember that.
Oh, me too.
That was on the Arizona Strip. Go down
Yeah.
to the Union, huh? Was it?
Yes, it was on
All
the
right, let's put
Arizona
that
Strip.
back. Okay, so we need. Is Emma help?
Nope.
Oh, that's good. We just stranded ourselves. Woohoo! So this is unpreparedness number 1. Didn't check my spare. Almost dark. It's been too dang hot to do anything all day. So yeah, I've got a crappy spare. I've got a couple of tires at home, but no wheels. So I'll need a tire shop. We might just run home. Do you have shoes on? We're only like a mile or so from home.
Our life is always an adventure. There's never, ever, ever a dull moment. Ever.
Well, there's the the premature Range Rover footage. I know you guys have been wanting to see it. So now we'll get it home, get the transmission changed. Hopefully that one's good.
What was supposed to be a quick little off-road adventure.
Come on, hon, we gotta capture a little bit of footage just to give you guys. We did this for you.
Gosh.
Oh yeah, we did a number on that tire. I don't think we ran the wheel yet, though. Oh, yeah, I did. I beat it up good. All right, you want to race?